Hola, welcome back to my channel Easy English with Rupali. I would like to ask you all, have you ever had to explain someone how angry the person was at a particular situation? Or how do you describe anger? If you ask me, I use phrasal verbs or idioms to express them. Would you like to know few of them? Then let's get started. First one, to flip out. To flip out, it means to get angry suddenly. For an example, after receiving a phone call, a boy flipped out and started shouting on his friend. Next is to have a short fuse. It means to get angry easily. For an example, after spending a weekend with him, I realized he has a short fuse. Third, to be mad as hornet. To be mad as a hornet, it means to get extremely angry. For an example, after watching his damaged car, he was as mad as hornet. Next is to piss off. It means to get angry or to leave. For an example, I am really pissed off by his attitude. Next one, to burn on a low blue flame. Yes, to burn on a low blue flame, it means to get extremely angry about something and yet not to express it. Let's take an example. He was sitting in the chair with her photos in hand and was burning with the low blue flame. Next one, to fume. It means to get angry. For an example, she is still fuming for not getting invited to the party. And the last one is to make one's blood boil. It means to make one upset or angry. Let's take an example. She really knows how to make my blood boil. And these are few of the phrases and idioms which I generally use to describe anger. And that's all for today's video. Thank you.